The power of unity, understanding, wearing team colors. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very colorful phrase, wearing team colors. This expression is not just about fashion or sports. It's a vibrant showcase of identity, unity, and belonging. So, let's unravel the layers behind this phrase and understand its significance in English-speaking cultures. When someone talks about wearing team colors, they're referring to the act of donning clothes or accessories that represent a particular sports team. This can include jerseys, caps, scarves, or any item featuring the team's colors or logo. But it's not just about the physical act of wearing something. It's a symbol of support, pride, and connection to the team. It's a way for fans to show their loyalty and be part of the team's community, even if they're not physically on the field. Interestingly, wearing team colors can transcend the realm of sports. It can also reflect a person's alignment with a group, cause, or ideology. For instance, wearing specific colors to support a social movement or showing solidarity with a community during events. This usage underscores the idea of identity and collective strength, highlighting how colors can be powerful symbols of shared values and beliefs. In many cultures, colors hold deep meanings and can convey messages without words. Wearing team colors taps into this universal language, allowing people to express their affiliation and emotions vividly. It's a testament to the human desire for belonging and the importance of community in our lives. Whether it's cheering for a favorite sports team or supporting a cause, the act of wearing specific colors unites individuals, creating a visible and impactful bond. Wearing team colors is more than just a fashion statement. It's a badge of honor, a symbol of unity, and a form of expression that transcends linguistic boundaries. We hope this video has shed some light on the significance of this phrase and why it resonates with so many people around the world. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep exploring and expressing yourself with the rich tapestry of English expressions.